Hi! From this video, you will learn how to set up Classwise devices and get started with the kit. All Classwise devices are separate units, so you need to pair them up on the first launch. On subsequent launches, the system will remember them and your setup. After you log into the web application, you will find the Device Panel button in the top right corner of the screen. Click it to be prompted to connect the control hub to your computer. To do that, simply use the provided USB cable. Confirm the connection by clicking on the blue Allow. At this point, your browser may ask you to allow a serial port connection. Select USB Serial and click Connect. Now it is time to assign the Classpads to the control hub you just plugged in. From the available options, select Assign automatically using the docking station. In the first step, we make sure that all the Classpads you want to assign are in the docking station. If not, insert them into the numbered slots. Once done, click the blue Inserted button. Then, as instructed, please hold down the button on the base of the docking station for 3 seconds. At this point, the Classpads synchronize with the system. All done. All connected devices are now on the devices list, and you are ready to start your classes. Using the button at the top of the panel, you can switch to the class register view to check that all students have their devices ready to use. When you remove Classpads for students, each device remembers the slot number from which it was removed and generates a unique button pattern, making it easier to identify devices when they are placed on students' desks. At the end of the lesson, you won't have to worry about putting the Classpads in the same slots. Next time, the numbers will be automatically assigned to the Classpads to make your job easier. Thank you for your time, and please come back for more videos. See you soon.